Hello, my name is Oswaldo garces realpe. I'm 52 years old. I from Choco love my work and play football. Now I student Sotenia at the UNAD University. I live in Caparrapi. I live town north of Cundinamarca, East. What better, Leo Messi or and Cristiano Ronaldo? I didn't Leo Messi the best football player of the world. I think Ronaldo is stronger and very good player. Leo Messi is talent on a most Morris. Oh, and very one are fantastic player. Really, they aren't the best and the convincing. Really, they are best and convincing. Yes, they are fantastic players. Everyone book and hungry goods is charming. Good night, good night, good night.